How to get 20% off Shein coupon. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, open up any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. At the very top search bar, type in Shein coupon code 2025. You will see various websites offering coupon codes. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and select Groupon. And likewise, you will see other options as well. You can see other student discounts and 15% off rewards as well. In my case, I'm selecting 15% off Shein coupon code. Likewise, copy the code. Once you have copied the code, go ahead and open your Shein application. Make sure that you select a product to check out because you can only redeem a code or apply a coupon under checkout page. Tap onto card, tap onto checkout. Under payment method, you will see apply coupon. Tap it, paste the code there, and simply continue checking out. And just like so guys, that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.